today I'm planting this AZ Sweet orange tree. It's a ball and burlap tree that I got from Greenfield Citrus Nursery, which is a old nursery in Mesa, Arizona. And they particularly harvest the trees that they grow on their field. So this is a Macetera variety of AZ Sweet. It's a 16-inch ball and burlap, which means the diameter of the root ball is 16 inches, the depth is 16 inches. And what I have done here is I have dug out the native soil. It's being planted on east side of the house. Once I dug out about 18 to 20 inches deep, I did the hole about 28 inches wide, which is what you see at the center. And then outside the hole, I did extend the width of the hole by about 2 feet, about foot to foot and a half on each side. So it's about 2 extra feet on each side. And then now I'm going to backfill the native soil that I dug out, which is slightly amended with sand and coco coir to make it a well-draining mixture. I'm not adding any compost in it as per the recommendation from the nursery. So the next step is remove the strings from the tarp paper, but I will keep the burlap at the bottom as was recommended. The first string is the second, and there is one more. The next step is not to disturb the root ball and take out the tarp paper carefully without disturbing the soil from the root ball. So the hole is getting backfilled and I'm tamping as I go without disturbing the root ball. The only soil I'm filling is native soil, which is amended very slightly with coco coir and sand, probably no more than 1:6 ratio. So the hole is completely backfilled with the native soil together with little bit of coco coir sand mix, but mostly it's native soil. And I made a firm packing as I went filling back the hole with the native soil. And what I did here is I made a little bit of slope away from the root ball so the trunk doesn't remain wet. This is where the root ball is when the tree was in that ball and burlap sack, and this is where the water is going to flow in. But when I water here, I'm going to water in this well, which is right near the drip line, and there is this berm at the edges of the drip line, so the water will remain there and get slowly soaked in over a period of time to moisten the roots and not disturb the trunk and not keep the trunk wet. So the newly planted tree is watered for the first time, and I filled the well all around the tree so that the water is slowly reaching the berm as well as filling the swell, and the water will drain away in about few minutes and keeping the trunk drier. That's the reason I made the dome around the root ball as if it's a donut shape. So the newly planted tree was watered yesterday to fill the entire berm, and today morning the berm is completely wet and moist, but the water is not standing. So it's a well draining soil that is able to keep the roots moist but not get smothered by water.